Welcome to Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for February 9th to 23rd. Before I get to the forecast, we're going to talk about the impending storm. I always say, impending or possible because you never know till the last minute how things are going to be. But we have this upper level energy here moving through the south central states, and this will result in a low pressure development along the Gulf Coast. And widespread showers have formed throughout the southeast, and that will track northeast through the evening hours. A wave of low pressure is forecast to strengthen along the southeast coast. We'll go to the other maps. Right here, you can see this is a GFS solution. The European. It seems like the, okay, we're going to back up here. We'll go to 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. This is where we're expecting the low to develop. There'll be rain and thunderstorms current to the south, and we'll have snow falling here from the Tennessee Valley into the mid-Atlantic region. And then as we go into Sunday night, 7 p.m., it exits. It's a fairly fast-moving system. We have a progressive flow, and that'll lead to other possible developments. Now we're going to have this other system later on. Let me go here. This would be a system tracking through the Tennessee Valley into the central Appalachians. And by morning, the system would be... wait, I got to back up a little bit. Okay, that's in the next period. That's all about the storm now. I had to look over my notes. Okay, now we're going to get to the forecasts for February 9th to 13th. And the pattern remains pretty much the same since yesterday, not much of a change. We have a ridge here over the East Pacific, Alaska, across Greenland, very strong positive height anomalies. This is European ensembles. Broad, deep trough here. Here's our polar vortex. And the pattern remains pretty much the same through all the models. So this is what I was trying to get at before. This is for the 9th. Let's see. We'll have a stall frontal boundary across Florida, and with northward causing enhanced rain from the eastern Gulf Coast to the southeast coast. And there might be some ice and snow moving across this region, southern Appalachians, and the southern mid-Atlantic region. And the heavy snow would be across the favorite terrain areas of Kentucky and West Virginia. Later in the week, moisture is forecast to return across the southern states. We'll go to the 13th here, and this will cause push further to the north across the eastern part of the country, and there's potential for several waves to lift northward over the east. With the cold air in place, this is the GFS. You can see the 540 line is. This is this European deterministic. Here's the 540 line. Further inland, it might show in rain here. Let me look at the other models. Here's the GFS. European deterministics, European high resolution. Here's the Canadian. Let me back up here a little bit. But this might bring some wintry precipitation, we could say, for portions of the East Coast. Look at the period for February 14th and 18th. The pattern again remains unchanged. We still have our areas of above normal heights, a ridge here across Greenland, broad trough across much of the nation. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies to be near 4 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures forecast for the remainder of the nation, with anomalies of up to 12 degrees below normal are forecast. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. And above normal precipitation forecast for the southeast, probability of occurrence is 35%. And we go to the end of the period. This is for the 19th to the 23rd, and still have a progressive flow, a zonal flow, still a fast flow occurring across the nation. We still have our ridges in the same spot. Overall, the patterns are showing, the models are showing little change in overall circulation. So for this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures for the west, with anomalies of high as 12 degrees above normal. And below normal temperatures are forecast for this region here, with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence 35%. And then we have above normal precipitation here for the southeast, with the probability of occurrence is about 35 to 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for February 9th to 23rd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.